Hey guys, recently I have built this weather website. This is URL of this website. This is homepage of this website. This is header section. This is search bar. This is footer section. This is about page. This is contact page, and this icon is a dark mode toggle. If I go to homepage again, if I put a city name here, it will show me this current condition and hourly condition of weather of this city. I will put Dhaka, search, click on search. It's showing us local time, city name, country name, current temperature in degree Celsius, cloud condition, sunrise time, sunset time, minimum temperature and maximum temperature. This minimum temperature and maximum temperature is a current temperature, and also it's showing us 3-hour weather forecast. 3 p.m. forecast, 6 p.m., 9 p.m., 12 a.m., 3 p.m. And this website is a fully responsible. You can check it out. Thanks for watching.